Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is Laminarairflow, which is a vertical one. It has a one stopcock here for putting the burner. On the side there is one side there is a gas input, and this has a wire. I'll show you the wire also has oil. You just see the oil is there. You have to put this oil in the one manometer, so it should be covering this area. Whenever there is a change in flow or this filter is blocked, this will change. This filter will keep on increasing on this side, and it will tell you that you need to change the oil and this filter. On the right side there is a power 220 volt connection. The stand is there. I'll show you the inside also. On the top side there is one tube light. This one is a tube light. I show you see this UV visible light, and on the other side, this side is a UV light. If it is not working, just rotate this tube, and you have two switches here. This fan is there for the power fan. It will push the air down from the top, and this front is also having the door. This one particular is an advanced model where you have sliding door, and the weights are counterweights are given inside, so you can lift as much as it will stop wherever you have to use it. The air will, first of all, this laminar is for keeping the fresh non-contaminated air from the inside. It will be pushed to the bottom to the sample, and then it will come out to the operator. So the chamber will be inert, but you have to keep it on UV light. This only UV light for about 30 to 30 minutes before starting the use. And moreover, this surface is to be wiped before using with the alcohol of 7% or as per your books, and then close it, and then leave it like this, little, only very little opening, and then start the fan. So the air will keep on, all the bacteria, the spores and other things will be pushed out. See, air is coming out. I can just show you, air is coming out. Here, I just show you. You just see this. This is now pushed out. See this. It's pushing. Air is coming out. You can see this flow is there. You just see. And wire is provided. This is, we have used it only wire. The surface is stainless steel and very easy. Now you can do the transfer of the sample or inert, or you can use the burner, your burner, to inert your sample and then use the whole airflow. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel abron01@gmail.com, and then this is a website abron01@gmail.com. Abron01 is email. Website is abronexports.com. You can see this abronexports.com. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.